Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Mizanur Rahman. Today is my birthday, so I am very happy. My mother does not have much time because she is a homemaker and she works all day. So she's a very busy person. Still, she organized a beautiful party for me so that I'll stay healthy, and she um will make a cake for me. Okay. And for that reason, I'm very happy and few time after I will enjoy with my friends and with my family. So, and thank you for watching my videos. Okay. So Allah Hafiz and take care of your health.